For what died the sons of Róisín? Was it fame? For what died the sons of Róisín? Was it fame? For what flowed Ireland's blood in rivers that began when Brian chased the Dane? And it did not cease, nor has not ceased, with the brave sons of 16. For what died the sons of Róisín? Was it fame? For what died the sons of Róisín? Was it greed? For what died the sons of Róisín? Was it greed? Was it greed that drove Wolf Tone to a martyr's death in a cell of cold, wet stone? German, French, or Dutch inscribed the epitaph of Emmett. When we've sold enough of Ireland to be but strangers in it, for what died the sons of Róisín? Was it greed? To whom do we owe our allegiance today? To whom do we owe our allegiance today? To those brave men who fought and died, that Róisín live again with pride. Her sons at home to work and sing, her youth to dance and make her valleys ring, or the faceless men for mark and the dollar, betrayer to the highest bidder. What suffer our patriots today? For what suffer our patriots today? They have a language problem, so they say. How to write no trespass must grieve their heartful sore. We got rid of one straight language. Now we're faced with many, many more. For what suffer our patriots today? For what died the sons of Róisín? Was it fame? For what died the sons of Róisín? Was it greed? For what died the sons of Róisín? Was it greed? For what died the sons of Róisín? Was it fame? For what died the sons of Róisín? Was it greed? For what died the sons of Róisín? Was it greed? For what died the sons of Róisín? Was it fame?